Hello guys, mega love shoutout guys sa ating lahat. Mega love shoutout Pinay, Canadian, and Rolita, Gina Obanez, TV, Imbi TV, Aston's Vlog, sino pa? Si Buana The Hurt, Ashley, Shelly Estrada, Shelly Mix, DJ Pidot, or sino pa ba? Si The Hunter. Mega love shout out Sir The Hunter, The Jaguar, J Auditor, mega love shout out guys. At hello Sisi, ang inyong vlog, mega love shout out sa iyo sis, salamat. Mega love shout out sa iba, hindi ko na kayo isa-isa guys, tama na yun, kakanta na ako guys, pagpasensyahan nyo yung aking kanta, gusto ko lang mag-isa na pag-isa ako ngayon. Shout out na lang po sa lahat. Mga kapanahunan ko muna to guys ha. Fools Fall in Love, covered by Star Between APP. Original singer guys is Jackie Ward, covered by Star Between APP. Nauna siya. Sobrang lakas yata. Jackie Ward. Fools fall in love in a hurry. Fools give their hearts much too soon. Just played into bars of the stardust. Just hang out one silly moon. They got their love torches burning when they should be playing it home. I used to laugh, but now I understand. Shaking head of a brand new fool. Fools fall in love just like slow girls, blended by rose-colored dreams. They build their castles on wishes with only rainbows for a base. They're making plans for the future when they should be playing it home. I used to laugh, but now I understand. Shake the hand of a brand new phone. Mega love shoutout guys sa inyong lahat dyan. Star Between APP Mix Vlog, Falls in Love. Kapanahonan ko to guys. Hindi kapanahonan pala ng nanay ko, tatay ko. Original singer is Jack Ward, covered by Star Between APP. They're making plans for the future when they should play it home. I used to laugh, but now I understand. Shake the head of a brand new phone. hello. Isa pa guys, hey, original singer is Julio Iglesias, covered by Star B20 Mix Vlog. Okay guys.
Come back to me and see how much I need. I only want to live if you are there. You be with you, I travel everywhere. It's true. I've had so many other loves to share, but I will close my eyes and you'll be here. No matter where I go, you're everywhere. It's true.
Hello guys, ito guys pangatlo, Desert Moon. Original singer guys is Dennis DeYoung, covered by Star Between APP Mix Club. Salamat sa inyong lahat guys sa pakikinig sa boses ko na kahit paano nakayanan din. Hindi naman tayo singer, kanta-kanta lang, enjoy life lang. Kasi holiday ko kaya mag-enjoy ako. Dahil stress ako sa bahay, dito ko ibuhos yung stress ko ngayon. Mega love shoutout guys sa lahat. Salamat guys sa love and support. Kakanta ko guys ng Bee Gees medley. Original singer is Bee Gees, covered by Star Between APP Mix Club. So guys, pagpasensya nyo ang aking boses guys. Gusto ko lang mag-enjoy sa holiday ko na nagsusulo ako kasi medyo nakakatakot kasi ngayon hindi pwedeng maramihan ng magsama ng maramihan yung magsama-sama. Kailangan galit-galit muna kami. Okay guys, ready na kayo? Handa nyo yung mga timba dyan. Maghulog kayo guys kahit $15 dyan sa timba. Parang gano'n.
There's a light, certain kinds of light that never shone on me. I want my life to be, to live with you, live with you. There's a way, everybody's saying, to do it in every little thing. But what good goes it brings if I get you and got you? Maybe you don't know what it's like. Maybe you don't know what it's like to love somebody, to love somebody the way I love you. Feels I'm going down the Massachusetts. Something's telling me I must go. And the light all went out in Massachusetts. The day I leave her standing on her own. I started to cry. It started the whole world loving, but I didn't see that the joke was on me. I looked at the skies, running my hands over my eyes, and I peeled out of bed, parting my head from things that I